Hi Virgo, welcome to your daily love reading. My name is Pretty and I'll be doing your love reading today. So before we begin with your love reading, Virgo, please do remember to take what resonates and to leave behind whatever does not. Okay, so let's begin with your love reading, Virgo. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, we have the Two of Wands, and this is fire energy, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo energy. So this is a card of someone who is thinking about the future of a situation. They're thinking about the next steps. This is more of a planning energy. They are weighing out their options, trying to see the big picture, where something has the potential to go towards. So let's see what the rest of the cards have to say. Okay, we have the Three of Pentacles, Earth energy, the Ace of Pentacles, Earth energy, and we have the Knight of Wands, fire energy. It looks like someone is wanting to make you some sort of like an offer, but it's like a serious offer with the Ace of Pentacles. This could be someone where you have a very loose kind of relationship with them. They could be still on and off, very passionate, lots of chemistry with the Knight of Wands, but still no real commitment. So it's like this person is thinking about making this offer because you have the Ace of Pentacles, which is like wanting to invest in something long-term, something that can be fruitful, something that will require consistency, efforts and commitment. So it's like this person is currently thinking about whether they're ready for this, whether they are in the right position to make this offer, because they're looking at you as someone who they feel there's a lot of chemistry and a lot of attraction and desire with that Knight of Wands. You know, the spark is there. And with the Three of Pentacles, they feel like you work together well as a team. Like this is someone who feels like they can count on you. They feel like you're someone that they could build something stable with. But they're still, again, it's like they're thinking about whether they're ready for this right now. There's this desire here to make this offer, but right now it looks like they're more so thinking about it or planning something. So let's clarify these cards, Virgo. Okay, so we have the Magician, and this is Mercury energy, Gemini, Virgo energy. So again, it's like this person is wanting to take control of the situation, almost like they want to take the lead, initiate something so that you guys can have a more defined kind of connection. With the Magician, it looks like they are wanting to, you know, initiate some sort of plans to have that with you. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have the Three of Wands, fire energy, Page of Wands, fire energy, and the Three of Pentacles again, earth energy. Yeah, it looks like they're kind of ready. They're gearing up to communicate with you about becoming a team, becoming some sort of a defined partnership here. So it's almost like they want to put a label to the connection, or they want to define it more. With the Three of Pentacles, that does show a desire to have a more practical kind of connection with you, something long-term. And with that Three of Wands, it's almost like if you've been waiting to hear from this person, you're going to hear from them. With the Page of Wands, it looks like they're initiating contact, and that is something they want to discuss, because there's a desire to have a more serious beginning with you. Okay, so I'm going to pull out an oracle card for you, Virgo. Okay, we have expect powerful change. New moon eclipse. So they want to change the nature of your connection, especially if it's something that's been more physical or passionate. It's like they want to kind of ground the connection. Okay, so I'm going to pull out another card for you. Here we have passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So you could have a lot of chemistry with this person. Okay, we have dignity. A wise man has dignity without pride. A fool has pride without dignity. So they're really taking a bit of an emotional risk here, putting like they're making a move here, initiating something that, you know, they do risk rejection here. But it looks like they're putting their pride aside. That this is someone who actually really wants this with you, enough to the point where they're willing to make that leap here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out a card for your advice, Virgo. Okay, we have surrender fear. Let go of the fearful stories you are telling yourself. Stay in the moment, focus on solutions, and celebrate every baby step forward. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing for you, Virgo. I hope you have a really, really good day, Virgo. Bye, Virgo.